Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 27th, 2021, and I'm here to talk about GameStop, and this is actually bad for GameStop to go up. I know many people on YouTube has been running the last 9 months of getting the mother of all short squeezes to occur, and I'm telling you all that the market does not act that way. You can continue to talk yourself into oblivion, and the price is not going to move the way that you expected it to go. So if you guys want to see what is this bad thing that I'm seeing on this chart for GameStop, you're at a great spot, because I don't care where the price is going to go. I'm not going to be emotional for this short squeeze. I'm simply going to play where price is anticipated to go so we can continually dominate in the stock market. So if you guys want to learn more, if you guys just at least want to have a heads up as to what I'm seeing in terms of where price is going to go, keep it locked in here. That's all you have to do. Keep it locked in here, because something happened from my last price prediction that I did in GameStop that I wanted to show all of you. So hit the like button, share, subscribe, tap that bell notifications so you guys become part of the team. And at the end of the video, I'm going to get your price prediction. I want you all to drop me your price prediction in GameStop after I do mine. All right, so let me go ahead and do this first. Now, I did a price prediction in GameStop on the 21st of November. You guys can go back and listen and see what I said. I was playing the strength then. Yeah, I was looking for the price in GameStop to go up. I mean, we saw it on the price chart that the market was inching to go up higher in price. Well, this is the bad thing, right? Let me go ahead and tap in and give you all this bad thing that I'm seeing on the price chart, and you all may actually already see it. I told you all back on November the 21st that we need to be careful right here. $250. I told you all then to be prepared for GameStop to get rejected there. I mean, look at this. I already got the horizontal line here, literally telling you that this is where the sellers are at. And right there, let me zoom in. November 22nd, the price got rejected right there. So seeing that that's the case, that is the bad news for us to allow GameStop price to go up. The price chart already tells us where the issues are at. I mean, we even saw it back here. November the 3rd, price got rejected at 250. We saw it again here. Price got rejected around 250. That is a massive catalyst. That is where we are understanding that the sellers are at. I don't care what anyone tries to persuade you. Don't expect GameStop price to go up until we see it crack 250. That's it. You could try to show me EBITDA, do due diligence, and show me their financials and all this, but as long as price in GameStop cannot crack through 250, we're not going up. So were you able to grab the bag on those 2 days right here, November 22nd and the 23rd? That's about 9%. I told you all on the 21st, hey, be ready for that, because now I'm going to show you something on a chart that kind of lets us know that GameStop's price is still going to hit 180 or trade on this ascending line. Now, this is the next thing I'm going to tell you all. We cannot see GameStop's price break this ascending line. We cannot let it happen, because if so, look for this. We're going to look for the price to do this, consolidate. I mean, we've pretty much been consolidating in GameStop since the beginning of the year. We haven't been in an upward trajectory except bouncing off this ascending line. So guess what? We're about to test that again. Now, are you ready for that? Because I know you're going to hear a lot of people to tell you to buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, right? It's like a broken record. It keeps repeating itself, but price ain't going up. So we need to see the market bounce off of this ascending line right here, period. Okay. So check this out. Last 3 days, okay, price has gone down in GameStop. So maybe we might get one up day to where price trends up higher, right? But not only is 250 restriction, the next area restriction is also around 225. So we got two places that there are sellers, 250, 225, period. Yeah, you don't have to worry about price going up until we see price break back up above those two price levels. I'm not even talking about technical indicators. I'm not even talking about fundamental analysis. And I'm still telling you where the sellers are at. They're at 225 and 250. And if the buyers cannot overcome them at those price levels, don't expect the price to go up. Now let's look at this 3-day. Okay, now this is terrible. For us to see GameStop's price go up on the last 3-day price bar, for us to come right back down, yeah, the buyers didn't win. The people who wants GameStop price to moass ain't winning, because the sellers definitely won on the last 3-day price bar. So again, I'm looking for price to go down, but just relax, breathe, take deep breaths. I'm not telling you that the price is going to collapse in GameStop. No, I'm looking for it to try to tag that ascending line though, for sure. I'm looking for the price in GameStop to try to come in and grab this ascending line, or maybe find that support at 180. That's my first area of concern for us to see the buyers. They have to step in there. Now, look at this on the weekly. Okay, this is even worse. For us, over the last 4 consecutive weeks, yeah, we try to see price go up in GameStop. Yeah, but for us to see the rejection again at 250, for us to see the price close on the low end of that weekly price bar, we got some weakness to go through still. Look at this on November, the month of November. And we're still showing that the selling is winning in the market in GameStop. We're closing off of the high for the month of November. That simply means that the overall weight for the trades that occurred in November for GameStop was selling. So this is what I'm saying, right? Yeah, you guys can hope on to, the market giving you a short squeeze, which I'm not saying that it is never going to happen. I mean, anything could go into the market, but currently the situation stands that the sellers are actually beating the buyers. People are not buying GameStop right now. And I know many of you are still sitting there holding on to your shares in GameStop while the market continues to dump more shares to those who are trying to buy it. So let me switch this back over to the daily. And I'm looking for the market in GameStop first to come here. Okay. It's only 6%. That's you could get that in one day in GameStop, right? $187. That is where my first spot for me to see the sellers, because if the seller, that's the first spot that I'm looking for the buyers to appear, because if they're there, then that's how low we need to go. Cut this prediction and play the buy side. But let's say they're not there at 187. My next area is going to be 180. That's about 10% movement for me to see the buyers, because if the buyers are at 180, then guess what? Cut the position, then play the upside, then play the buy side into the market for GameStop. What if they're not at 180? What will be your next location? Well, my third spot is going to be down here towards like 160. Okay, like 163. It's about 18% movement. Now, look at this. Just look at this. Ultimately, I'm going to hold my restriction point at 250 because that's where the sellers were at. That is where they appeared because price in GameStop got rejected right there on the 23rd. So that is my ultimate spot of restriction. As long as price in GameStop doesn't hit 250, yeah, I'm playing the weakness into the market. All right. 3 areas. First one, 187. Second one is 180. Third is around 163. All right. That's it. Now, from a monthly perspective, yeah, 163 can definitely come into fruition. Look at that. December the 8th. It's earnings. We're currently seeing the price go down. Be prepared for the market to grab support on one of those locations. Be prepared for volatility to increase. Yeah, I'm already there. So let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. Drop me your price prediction right now in GameStop and tell me, what do you think? Is that bad news for us to see the price get rejected at 250? Let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.